You're not far off. Sometimes that's exciting, and sometimes that's frustrating. You know that your home is almost there, but something keeps it from feeling complete. And a lot of men never figure out what that something is. My name is Chaudhry, and today I'm going to show you exactly what's holding your space back and give you 4 clear corrections that you can start using to bring the entire room together. If you're a returning subscriber, hit the thumbs up. If you're new here, hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be a subscriber. Remember that if you would like our help in designing your room, you can have that help by clicking the link in the description below. Here's a common scenario. There's a solid sofa, a decent rug, and a layout that technically works. Nothing, by definition, is wrong. But the room still doesn't have that punch that you're expecting from it. It's just not coming together. What's the first thought that most people have in this situation? I need better furniture. What's interesting is the answer is rarely better furniture. So if it's not better furniture, what is it? Foundation. So how do we get foundation? We build it by adjusting 4 things. Your walls are going to set the tone, your focal point will set the direction, and the materials and weight you introduce are what make it all come together. If you get these right, your room will start to feel different almost immediately. First, let's fix the wall color. Surprisingly, a lot of people skip this, and that's a mistake. If your walls are too light, too flat, or slightly off tone, everything you put into the room will feel disconnected. So give this a try. If you're between 2 colors, choose the slightly darker one. And instead of a flat gray or a bright white, choose colors with warmth, earthy greens, deep neutrals, or softened browns. That's what gives the room depth and something for everything else to sit against. There are 5 paint colors that we've returned to again and again because they consistently create the kind of outcome that we're after: depth, weight, and a sense of control in the room. I put those together in a short guide called Stop Guessing Paint Colors. You can find it in the description below. Next, we need to create one clear focal point. Many rooms have multiple half focal points: a TV, a piece of art, a window. Your attention is going in multiple directions, but nothing is clearly leading. You need to decide, what is this room going to be centered around? For example, if it's the TV wall, mount it cleanly, center your sofa to it, and place your lighting so that it supports that wall. If it's a fireplace, everything should face it. Your seating, your rug, even your artwork should acknowledge it. If it's a large window or a view, don't block it, angle your seating toward it, and keep that line of sight open. If it's a statement piece like artwork or an antique, center it, give it space, and build the layout around it. When the focal point is clear, the room portrays a sense of purpose. After that, we're going to simplify our materials. It's a small change, but it has a wave of positive effect. Too many homes mix black, chrome, gold, and wood tones that don't match, all in the same area. Individually, none of them are wrong, but together they create a lot of tension. Pick 2 dominant materials and repeat them throughout the room. That's it. Now the room reads as one space instead of pieced together. Fourth, we're going to add weight where the room feels light. For anyone with the feeling that their room is right on the edge of being there, I want you to stand in your room and look around. Does the coffee table or bed frame or sofa look too small for the space? Do the lamps not have the right shape to give off enough light? Are there accent chairs or decor that feel thin or undersized? If you answered yes to any of these, consider replacing those with something that has real substance. A coffee table with some thickness to it, made out of wood, stone, or something solid. A lamp with a proper shade that casts a warm, noticeable glow. A chair that doesn't feel like it could be moved with just one hand. You don't need to add more. You just need a few pieces that hold the space together. And if you look at these 4 together, wall color, focal point, material consistency, and visual weight, this is what creates that feeling of, this room is finished. The question you always want to ask is, what is the room trying to be? not just visually, but emotionally? Is it meant to feel grounded, relaxed, elevated, quiet? The answer to that is going to help guide you in choosing wall color, a focal point, the materials that appear, and how visual weight is presented. Remember, the principle remains the same. If the foundation isn't right, if any of these 4 elements are ignored, the room will always feel slightly off, no matter what you add to it. It's a cycle that many stay stuck in for years, but you can break it. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you feel like sticking around a while, feel free to subscribe. See you in the next one.